Good morning, student. Welcome back to St. Joseph's English Medium Schools, Vijayapura. WhatsApp digital learning classes of Mathematics 4th Standard. I am your math teacher Rafia Sultana ma'am. Student, in the last sessions we have learned lesson number 1. Just I will recapitulate what things we have learned in the lesson number 1. In the lesson number 1 we have learned 4-digit numbers, and second exercise introduction of 5-digit numbers. In third exercise reading the 5-digit number. Fourth exercise place value and face value chart. Fifth exercise expanded notation. Sixth exercise writing numbers in the standard form. And the seventh exercise comparing 5-digit numbers. These all things in the lesson number 1 we have learnt in the earlier sessions. So today we are going to begin the new lesson, that is lesson number 2. What's your lesson number 2? 6 and 7 digit numbers. In this lesson number 2 we are having 5 exercises. They are 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4 and 2.5. Let us see what we are going to learn in the exercise number 2.1. It is the first exercise of lesson number 2. In this exercise, understanding the Indian place value chart of 6 and 7 digit numbers. In the earlier lesson, that is lesson number 1, we have completed 5 digits place value chart. So we are moving to the further of the Indian place value chart of 6 and 7 digit numbers. Reading and writing the 6 and 7 digit numbers. These two concepts we are going to learn in the exercise number 2.1. To understand this concept thoroughly, let us draw first the Indian place value chart of 6 and 7 digit numbers. So to draw the place value chart, first we have to mention the periods. In this place value chart we are having 3 periods. In the 5-digit Indian place value chart we are having 2 periods, that is ones period and thousands period. These two consist of 5-digit number. As we are doing now 6 and 7 digit numbers, so that one more period will be added, that is lakhs period. What it is? Lakhs period. Now in this periods, which places comes? We are understood about ones period very well. That is, in ones period we are having 3 places, that is ones capital O, tens capital T, hundreds capital H. These 3 places includes in the ones period. Now this is 3-digit number. Now in the thousands period, let us see which places come. That is thousands TH, 10,000s, 10,000s TTH. These two includes in the 1000 periods. So these two periods together called 5-digit number. But as we are doing 6 and 7 digit numbers, so we will look at the lakhs period. In the lakhs period, the first place is lakhs, that is capital L. Next is 10 lakhs, that is TL, capital TL. This is called, lakhs is called 6-digit number, 10 lakhs is called 7-digit number. So children, we know it that ones is called what? Single digit number, unit number or 1. Tens is called 2-digit number, 10. Hundreds is called 3-digit number. Thousands is called 4-digit number. 10,000s is called 5-digit number. Lakhs is called 6-digit number. And 10 lakhs is called 7-digit number. To write 1 lakh, we need how many zeros? We need 5 zeros. To write 10 lakh, we need how many zeros? 6 zeros. So let us understand this perfectly by doing one example. First of all, I'll place the values in the place value chart. So everywhere, every place I got the digit. Now what we have to do, children? We are doing in the from last 3 videos. We have to write the number. Good, very good. So let us write the number. So how to write the number? We have to begin with the lakhs period, that is 10 lakhs place. In the 10 lakhs place, which number we are having? 2. This becomes 20 lakh. Now in the lakhs period we are having 3. This will become 3 lakh. Together it is called 23 lakh. Then 10,000 place we are having 6. 60,000. In thousands place we are having 4. This will become 64,000. In hundreds place we are having 1. 100. Then in tens place we are having 5. 50. Then in the ones place we are having 7. So we read this number as 23,64,157. Students, you all should read with me, along with me also. So let us write the number name of this number. 23,64,157. Like this we have to write in the words. Let us do one more example. Example number 2. First I will place the digits. See here, in all the places we are having the digits. So now let us write the lakhs period. In the lakhs period, in the 10 lakhs place I am having 1, and in the lakhs place I am having 4. This becomes 14 lakh. Thousands place we are having 1000. In 10,000 place we are having 9. In thousands place we are having 0. This become 90,000. And in hundreds place we are having 3. Tens place 8 and ones place 2. This becomes 382. Let us write the number name. 14,90,382. This is the second example. Let us take third example. So numbers also appeared on the screen. So now in the lakhs period we are having 7 in 10 lakhs place. In the lakhs place we are having 7. This becomes 77 lakh. And in the thousands period we are having 10,000 place 1, thousands place 5, 15,000. Now in hundreds place 6, tens place 0, nines ones place 9. So this becomes 609. Now let us write the number name. 77 lakh 15,609. This is the method to write the number and number name of the given digits in the place value chart. So let us do the first question of the exercise number 2.1. Lesson number 2's first exercise is exercise number 2.1. Question number 1. Write their number and number names showing each on the chart. So here children, they have placed the numbers in the chart. See here, we are having lakhs period, thousands period and ones period. All the numbers have been placed in the place value chart. Now let us write the number. In the first question, in the first lakhs period we are having 10 lakhs place 2, lakhs place 4, 10,000s place 5, thousands place 0, hundreds place 2, tens place 3 and ones place 4. This becomes 24,50,234. Let us write in the number name, that is in the words 24,50,234. This is the method we have to solve the question number 1 of exercise 2.1. Let us do the B question. 65 lakh 81,000 and 21. In hundreds place we have 0. So we have to skip the 100 number. So let us write in the words 65 lakh, 81,000 and 21. See, in the C question we don't have any 10 lakhs place. So it has begun with lakhs period, lakhs place. So let us write the 2,33,757. 2,33,757. Next, in the D question also we don't have 10 lakhs place number. We are having the lakhs place number, that becomes 7 lakh. And in 10,000 place we are having 5,000 places also we are having 5. So this becomes 55,000. In hundreds place we are having 8, and this becomes 800. Tens place 4 becomes 40, and ones place it is unit number, that is 2. So answer becomes 7,55,842. Let us write in the words 7,55,842. Like this we have to write. Now E question, very easiest question. Why? Because only we are having the digit at the 10 lakhs place. Remaining all have become 0. So answer will become what? 10 lakh. Very good. Let us write in the word, that is 10 lakh. Now the F question. See the children. All the places we are having, that is digit called 9. 9 is the which digit? It's the single largest digit. Now the number automatically become the single, this number will become largest 7 digit number. What is the largest 7 digit number? 99,99,999. In the words 99,99,999. This is the largest 7 digit number. So this is the complete of question number 1. Let us move to the next question of the exercise, that is lesson number 2, exercise number 2.1. This is the given question. Let us do the first question, that is read aloud these numbers and write their number names in your notebook. These are the questions appeared on your screen. This is given the question in the textbook. So children, we have to read this number aloud, means we have to read it joragi, gattiyagi. So I am going to read this number very slowly. You have to also follow me. So children, let us begin the reading. First I'll read the number, then I'll write the in words. The first question, A, 1,34,680. 1,34,680. Let us write in the words 1,34,680. Question number B, 13,44,732. 13,44,732. In words 13,44,732. This is the method. We have to read also, we have to write also. Next C question. We don't have any 10 lakhs place number. We are having directly lakhs number. So what is the answer? 5,46,001. There is no hundreds number also. There is no tens number. So let us write in the words 5,46,001. D question, 42,73,700. 42,73,700. In words 42,73,700. Question number E. 54 lakh 84,000 and 10. 54 lakh 84,000 and 10. Here we don't have any hundreds number also, ones number. So let us write in the words 54 lakh 84,000 and 10. Next, F question. Directly we are having lakhs, 10 lakhs place number also, lakhs place number. We don't have remaining numbers. So what we'll do? Directly we have to write 11 lakh. Now in question number G, we are having 10 lakhs place number and we are having hundreds number and tens number and also units number. Remaining places are 0. So answer is 30 lakh 415. 30 lakh 415. Once again children, read with me. 30 lakh 415. H question. 7 lakh 33,444. 7 lakh 33,444. This is the method to write the question number 2. So children, by this we have completed our exercise number 2.1. In this exercise we have learned writing the number name of the given numbers. So I'll show you how to write in your classwork. You have to open the new page of your classwork. Entirely new page, because you have to write the heading. What is the heading, children? Lesson number 2. Compulsory when you are starting the new lesson, we have to write the heading of the lesson. What is the lesson number? Name of the lesson? Name of the lesson is 6 and 7 digit numbers. In the heading portion of the notebook, we have to write this with a dark pencil and with the big letters. Lesson number 2, 6 and 7 digit numbers. Now we have to write the first line exercise number. Exercise 2.1. Question number 1. Write their number and number names showing each on the chart. So children, it needs again more place. I am requesting many children, because I have seen many classwork, those who are sent, you are leaving the margin place empty, because these questions are very large. So please use the margin place also. I am telling, from the edge of the page you have to draw this chart. See, you have to edge of the page to edge of the next edge of the page you have to draw. Write the question, then draw the place value of the chart. 10 lakhs, lakhs, 10,000s, thousand, hundreds, tens, ones. Then you have to write number column, number names column. So after this, after writing every number name, please draw the dark line as I had drawn on the video. Can you see on the screen, children? Yes. After completion of A answer, I had drawn the dark line. Again I wrote the B question. After writing the B question, again there is a dark line that shows the answer number B is ended. Then I written C question. Then C question answer also written. Then again I draw the line like this. Watch it again and again, and with patience please see how I had actually written. The same method what you have to do, write in your classwork neatly. Which exercise? Write neatly exercise number 2.1 in your classwork and homework notebook. This is page number 63. Which page number it is? In textbook page number 63 we have completed today. So next video, as we have completed only one exercise in this video, the next video will be of the next exercise, that is 2.2. So children, you have to write this classwork, this exercise in classwork also, homework also. Why I am insisting you to write in both sides? because both the fairs, because mathematics is the practicing subject. How much more you practice, that much perfect you will become. So children, till the next video, stay home, stay safe. Thank you for watching the video. Till the next video, goodbye children, take care.